Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Mayroon tayong G2 Professional Brazilian Blowout dito. So, in-order natin ito sa shop and itatry natin ito. Tapos, mayroon siyang ano dito? Mayroon siyang clarifying shampoo. Ayan, G2 Professional Pre-Treatment Clarifying Shampoo. So, before tayo mag-Brazilian, ito ang ating ilagay. So, itatry natin ito guys next week kasi busy pa tayo ngayon. Itatry natin ito kasi kaka-arrive lang nito. Ayan. Pre-treatment clarifying shampoo. So, ito yung isi-shampoo natin before natin i-apply yung ating Brazilian Blowout. Next is number 2. G2 Professional number 2 siya. Treatment Keratin Blowout. So, ito na yung Keratin Blowout guys. Nakalagay dito is healthy straight. So, ang sabi nila maganda daw ito. So, itatry natin. Hindi naman siya masyadong mahal guys. Nakuha lang natin siya ng 800 something. Sa tatlong ito, 800. So, ito ay 270 ml. Ayan, 270. Hindi ko pa alam kung ilang tao ang pwedeng malalagyan nito. Pero okay na siya sa budget. Hindi siya gaanong mahal. So, ito yung ating Brazilian Blowout, which is yung number 2. So, ito naman, ito yung ating G2 Professional number 3 After Treatment Conditioning Cream Brazilian Blowout. So, I think after ka na maligo nito guys, after 3 days na binabad mo yung buhok mo sa Brazilian Blowout, so I think ito yung ating ilalagay. Ayan. So, basahin natin yung ating instruction dito guys. Instruction, shampoo hair using, I hope kung makikita nyo guys. Shampoo hair using G2 clarifying shampoo. So this is the clarifying shampoo. It is the number 1. Bottle number 1 to open the cuticle of the hair. So ayan, isi-shampoo talaga natin guys before tayo mag Brazilian Blowout para ay ma-open yung cuticle ng hair for optimal result. Ayan. Wash hair twice for all hair types. Ayan. So, i-wash natin ang hair 2 times or 3 times sa lahat ng mga types na hair. So, towel dry hair leaving enough moisture. Ayan. So, anuhan natin ang towel and then section hair into 4 parts. Wearing of gloves is important. So, apply G2 Keratin Blowout bottle number 2 into hair using brush 1 inch away, 1 inch or 1.8 inch away from the scalp to the end. So, do not over saturate. Remove exist product using a fine taut comb. Do not rinse. Blow dry the hair up to 100% dry using a round brush after blow drying the product on the hair. Proceed with ironing using a flat iron with 230 Celsius. Start at the neck, taking 1 to 2 inch sections. So paper thin section ito guys. Slowly move iron from root to ends. Pass over each section 3 to 4 times for sensitized hair. 8 times for resistant. Okay. So, mayroon siyang guys sa pagpaplansya. Pass over each section 3 to 4 times for 3 to 4 times lang sa mga sensitized. Ang sensitized guys, ang mga example sa mga sensitized na buhok ay yung may mga color, tapos mga rebonded. So, yan yung mga sensitized, tapos yung mga manipis. So, ayan, 3 to 4 times lang yung hagod natin. Or 4 to 8 times for resistant. Yung mga guys, yung mga makapal na buhok, ayan, yan yung mga resistant. So, virgin hair or mga virgin hair. So, after ironing the hair, rinse hair with water and apply G2 conditioning cream. Bottle number 3, then rinse. So hair. After ironing the hair, proceed. Di pala guys, ang instruction dito, do not open saturate. Pak. Towel dry, info parts, wearing gloves, important. Apply G2 Keratin, blowout. Number 2. Blowout. Brush. Inch away from the scalp. Do not oversaturate. Remove excess product using a fine tooth comb. Do not rinse. So, hindi natin banlawan. Blow dry hair up to 100%. After that guys, after sa ating pagpaplansya is ilagay natin itong 1-2 inch section paper. Ilagay natin itong number 3. Pass over each section 3 to 4 resistant virgin hair. So, after ironing the hair, rinse hair with water and apply G2 conditioning cream. Bottle number 3, then rinse thoroughly, towel dry hair, then final blow dry up to 100% dry before ironing again. Ito pala guys. Itong G2, i-apply lahat. Babanlawan natin ng water after sa See? Resistant hair. Rinse hair with water and apply G2 conditioning cream. Bakit natin i-rinse? Ganun ba talaga? Anyway guys, itatry natin ito ng dalawang process. Itatry natin ito ng dalawang process, which is yung hindi muna natin ilalagay yung ating number 3 at saka yung ilalagay na natin. So, i-arrange natin right away after our ironing. So, ayan guys, gagawa ako ng dalawang video nito, which is yung hindi babanlawan at saka yung babanlawan right after. So, ang caution nito is do not shampoo with hair after 48 hours. See? Do not wear pins, clips, or ponytails to hold back hair. And do not apply near eyes. Ayan, do not swallow. Do not use children. If irritation persists, consult a doctor immediately. Store at room temperature not exceeding 30 Celsius. So, active ingredients. Mga ingredients niya guys, mga silicones, keratin, Euleracia, I don't know what's that, extract, glycerin, dimetocone, hydrolyzed protein. Ayan guys. Yan yung ating active ingredients, silicones. The same lang sila ng ano. The same lang sila guys with water. Itatry natin ito guys. First time kong matry itong G2. Itatry natin itong G2 pero gawa natin ng dalawang video kasi ang Brazilian blowout talaga hindi talaga siya babanlawan after sa pag iron. So ayan na guys. So see you in my next vlog. Ayan, see you in my next vlog. Ipapakita natin yung dalawang video natin para dito. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.